Welcome to the Finding Silence channel. Today, we will be diving into the herb of the week, mint. Mint. It's a popular herb. It smells fresh. You can find it everywhere. People have used it for centuries. Mint is a plant. It grows in many places. There are many types of mint. Peppermint and spearmint are common. Thank you to our viewer Tiffany, who requested information on mint. She enjoys it fresh from her mother's garden in the summer. Mint is good for you. It can help your tummy. It can calm you down. Mint can help with digestion. If you feel sick, mint can help. It can also help with headaches. Mint is a natural way to feel better. Mint can refresh your skin. Enjoy mint in your drinks or add it to your meals. You can use mint in many ways. Add it to your food. Make a tasty tea. Try mint in your recipes. It's great in salads and drinks. You can even add it to desserts. Mint is a versatile herb. Enjoy mint in smoothies and sauces. Mint is a refreshing herb. It has many health benefits. It's easy to add to your life. Try mint today. You'll love the taste. You'll love how it makes you feel. Mint is a gift from nature. Tiffany, we appreciate your curiosity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more herbs and relaxation remedies from Finding Silence. Enjoy the freshness every day.